Hi, Jason Keeler here, the Property Review Show. Good to see you. Thanks for joining me. Please like and subscribe. Hit the bell as we build this channel up, reviewing properties here and around the world each week. Today we're in the Caribbean, and Turks and Caicos is a British territory, and that means the British ultimately oversee it. And here we have this incredible $15 million mansion. It is a beauty. Are you ready? This is a stunner. And look at the entrance here, the pitched roof, all timber beams. Look at them, they're massive. This pool is impressive as we come on into this incredible property, and you can already see it is going for it. Look at this framing, fabulous, these light fittings, this massive, thick timber dining table, and we look out to the ocean, the Caribbean, looking so good past the infinity pool. It is just simply fabulous, and I give this 5 out of 5, 10 out of 10, etc. Look at this. It's like a resort of your own at $15 million. It should be too. Look at the high ceiling, the exposed timber. The framing is just striking. And then we see the natural habitat outside of lush gardens, the infinity pool, and the views to the ocean, the Caribbean Ocean. It is simply impressive. Big tiles here, lovely, expansive furniture. Then we see a loft position upstairs with plantation shutters in a light timber. The expense has not been spared on this beautiful example of real estate in the Caribbean. And there we see these amazing daybed type chairs. Imagine the parties here, relaxing outside here, enjoying it with your friends and family. Just spectacular. Love how the pitched roof reflects in the window here. It is simply superb. I'm in love with this. I hope you are too. Give us any comments on this one. It is a beauty, and I hope you enjoy it as much as I am. As you could tell, I certainly am enjoying this. Look at these beams here. Fabulous. And then views out at these pergolas here, or should I say gazebos, either side. And then some sun umbrellas. It's pretty nice out there. Look at the beach. Oh, yeah. Call the real estate cops. This is fantastic. Love the column here with the detail on. And the views out here. Looks like we've got some geckos on there. But look at this ocean. It is just simply delicious. It is a fantastic property. $15 million, your own beach out the front. Why not? And it is just fabulous. With look at the pitched roof here, and just a wonderful architectural design for the islands. And we're into the kitchen, lovely open kitchen. Again, a wonderful use of timber here, natural timbers, big double oven, and lots of cabinet space here. We're into the master bedroom. We see a television. We see this wall separating the lounge area, double doors out with a decked area, and timber floors again. Timber, but luscious and beautiful. Look at that, just stunning. It's almost like a safari resort in a way, but it's in the Caribbean. And this stone is beautiful as well. Looks almost like a limestone there. Timber exposed everywhere. 4-poster bed this time. And a lounge area in there too. Into another bathroom. Loving this bath here. Look at this down here. That is a bath in here. Look at that. Hop down into the bath. You don't see that very often. Views out to the lush gardens. And cabinetry here looking so good. These light fittings as well. This is 10 out of 10. Look at that. Pocket door on the WC. Double basins here, shallow. And timber to the ceiling. Very nice. Even love this frame here around the door. Just looks so good. The quality is exceptional. Love the decking too. The chair, day chair out there. And picture windows. Well, we've got them all, these sliding windows and more, but it pops with this Caribbean Ocean and the gardens outside. Look at this. Pitched roof here. Oh, yes. It's just good. It's real good. Oh, here's another one. The loft room. And it's looking so good. Love this in the ceiling too. And love that use of timber there too. We've got just a wonderful room here. I've used that word about 10 times. Happy to keep going. And there's a good bird's eye view of the home. And what a spectacular view it is. Another side there. Don't forget that infinity pool there as well. And this pergola type construction on the beach, right on the beach. Just amazing. Look at that night shot. Wow, walking around this deck, enjoying your home, privacy, relaxation, location. It is simply incredible. All these sliding doors are so practical. It means every room has a view. And there's nothing quite like that, is there? Nothing quite like it. Look at the warm timbers, the light, just emphasizing that in the evening. And then we see the clear oceans of the Caribbean, the sea life. Look at the positioning here, all by itself, giving privacy and just that lovely, quiet lifestyle that you really want when you're a millionaire in Turks and Caicos. Look at that. Just incredible. Loving the terrain here as well. Stone, bush, tree, sand, and ocean. It is a dream come true. That is a fabulous home, and I'm highly impressed. Christie's Real Estate, I hope you enjoyed that. Let's see if we can get back to the picture. It's shot off on me. And built in 2011, 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, the $15 million price tag for sure. Let's see if we can get back into the property photos. No, it won't let us. It's taken us into the 3D. Here we go. Let's jump back in there. I like to finish on a photo. Let's just finish on that one because it is a super duper house for sure. I'm Jason Keeler with the Property Review Show. Loved it. Hope you did too. Please like this video because you loved this house as I did. And we'll catch you. Look at that. I mean, it's just perfect. Catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.